high energy warning. The Ethereum ecosystem is about to lift off. Billions of users are gathering. This is not a drill. This is tomorrow. This is a Fusaka update happening on Ethereum, and here is the most critical part you need to know. Right now, if you are still staring at red and green candles, looking for peaks and valleys, you are likely missing the most important fundamental shift in Ethereum's history. For quite a long time, we've been asking, where is the Web3 explosion? Where are the billions of users? Why are they late? Is it a lack of apps? No, it's the barrier to entry. Public keys, private keys, hardware wallets, seed phrases, these anti-human beings block 99% of ordinary people from entering. But on December the 3rd, the Fusaka Upgrade will tear down this wall. Ethereum is planting a Trojan Horse, ready to turn billions of smartphones into direct hardware gateways. Here's the reality. The crypto world is divided. On one side, we scribble seed phrases on paper, terrified of losing everything. On the other side, our phones, iPhone or Android, already contain military-grade security chips, the TEE, Trusted Execution Environment. This chip is the bedrock of Web2 security, like FaceID and Apple Pay. Its security is on par with a $100 Ledger hardware wallet. The problem? Ethereum is stubborn. Mobile chips, the SECP-256R1 global standard. Ethereum only understands SECP-256K1, the legacy standard inherited from Bitcoin. That one-letter difference makes billions of phones mute to the blockchain. We can't really blame Satoshi Nakamoto. Back then, he chose the K-curve to avoid potential NSA backdoors in the NIST's R standard. Safety first, right? But today, if we trust these chips enough for our bank accounts, it's time to migrate Web3 users to them. Fusaka builds a light-speed bridge. The core proposal, EIP-7951, creates an official cheat code inside the Ethereum virtual machine, a pre-compiled program. Think of it as a real-time translator. Before this, verifying a Face ID signature on-chain cost a fortune in gas fees. It was unusable. After the grab tomorrow, the cost drops to the floor, just 3,450 gas. This means the Secure Enclave in your pocket goes from useless to accessible for everyone. Imagine this. A future user downloads a GameFi or SocialFi app. They don't need to know what a private key is. They don't need to back up seed phrases. They don't even know they are using blockchain. They just press the fingerprint like signing up for WeChat or WhatsApp. Account created. Every transaction, buying gear, tipping creators, is just a face scan. The chip signs silently in the background. Private keys never leave the phone. This is the true form of mass adoption. Web2 smoothness with Web3 asset sovereignty. But what if I lose my phone? That is the magic of account abstraction. Your account is no longer just a key. It is a smart contract. Lose your phone? No problem. Use a friend's device or your backup iPad to initiate social recovery. The money stays on chain. You just switch the login device. This completely eliminates the lost seed phrase anxiety for normal people. A sleeping giant is awakening. EIP-7951 is not just a patch. It is a dimension reduction attack on the traditional internet. Ethereum is no longer arrogantly asking users to learn cryptography. Instead, it hides the complex logic behind the simplest interactions. When 3 billion smartphone users can enter the Ethereum ecosystem just by scanning their face, do the math. Think about the volume. So, don't just stare at today's price, look at the road ahead. This might be the most exciting chapter for Ethereum yet. Thanks for watching. See you next time.